It's time to go electric. For more information about this beautiful Volkswagen ID.4, please call 0968 888 1276. This is the ID.4 Cross red color. This is the ID.4 Cross interior. This is the first row. The first row is fully electric seats with memory seats and massage seats. And the second row. And you have a power tailgate with cargo space. And this is the dashboard. So you have a fully digital instrument cluster with a 12-inch infotainment screen. This is compatible with AM, FM, Bluetooth music, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. And if you go into reverse, the reverse camera will show up here. And on top you have a panoramic sunroof. This is the ID.4 Cross interior.